You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Japanese word and a name. You're gonna have a type of sushi that is named this way. Restaurants, quite a few restaurants. If you want to learn more from Japanese cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. In Japanese, in Japan, it is said as umi, umi, umi. In English, rather usually said as umi, because this sound from Japanese doesn't quite exist in English. So umi in Japanese or umi in English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.